Good morning, all the student of class 3. Welcome back to your e-learning math class student. So student, today we will discuss a new topic on division chapter. Okay, so today's topic is division on number line. Division on number line. So open the page number 115 from your composite book. Okay, so division on number line means here by using the number line you have to be do the division, means you have to be find out the quotient. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, so if I say student that 8 divided by 2, now what is the quotient that you have to be find out? Now if you do the division you can easily say, but if it is in the exam mentioned that you have to be do it with the help of number line, how you will do it? Okay, so now see that here what is dividend, student? Here 8 is the dividend, isn't it? 8 is the dividend. So we will draw a number line, and for that first of all we have to be draw a line. Okay, so here I am drawing a line, so it will be a kind of straight line. Okay, and then after that on the both side of the line you have to be give the arrow mark. Okay, it means that you can extend the line both in both the direction if you want. Okay, now what is dividend here? 8. So what will be the dividend? That much line we have to be draw on the that many line we have to be draw. Okay, so see here first of all we will if I say it is 0, okay, then just 1 equal distance. Okay, try to 2 3 4 5 6, it's 7, it's 8. Okay, up to this much. Now as we all know that division means where it is repeated subtraction, means the numbers start getting decrease. So dividend is 8 here, so we will start from here. Okay, we will start jump from here. Now 2 is the divisor, so we will jump 2 room. Okay, so this is the blank space between any two number is 1 room. Okay, then between 7 and 8 there is 1 blank space, so 1 room, and between 6 and 7 it is 1 room, so it is another. So this 1 and this 1 is 2. So or else you can do like that, you have to be subtract 2 from 8. So if you subtract you will get 6. So here you have to be come. Okay, then again if you subtract 2 from 6 you will come 4, and once again from 4 it will come to 2, and from 2 it's 0. Until and unless 0 come you can't stop jump. And also if you didn't reach 0, then if you couldn't match with 0, that's mean you didn't do the math correctly. So now see that how many jumps are there? 1 2 3 4 jumps over there, isn't it? That's mean what will be the answer? The quotient is 4. Okay, so if I say that how many moves or jumps backward jumps. jumps of 2 each. So it's how many times? It's how many moves? So 4 moves or backward jumps. So what is the answer? That means 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now let's take another example. Okay. In your book they have given you so many examples and also exercise. You just try to practice it. Okay. Now take another example. If I say here that you have to be divided 12 by 4, and what is the quotient, what will be the quotient, that you have to be find out by using the number line. Okay, so what you have to be do as 12 is the quotient, 12 is dividend here, that's mean you have to be draw lines over there. Okay, 1 2, so it will be 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12. Okay, now we will start from 12. Okay, we will start from 12. So from 12 we have to be come to 4 rooms, isn't it? So you can do all like this also. See, from here 1 2 3 4, that's mean this row. 1 2 3 4 means this row. Now 1 2 3 4 means this row. Now from 12 it will come to first 8, then from 8 it will come to 4, and from 4 it will come to 0. Now see that how many times it's move, how many moves or backward jumps of 4 of each? It's 3, isn't it? 1 2 3, so 3 will be the answer. Okay, so is it not very interesting and easy? So try to practice rest of all exercise. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye everybody.